Conducting the rig and lift skill with students can be intimidating and challenging for new instructors. In this video, we will learn the techniques and insights necessary to conduct this skill with ease. It is your responsibility to maintain a safe and controlled environment for your students and conduct this skill with a high level of accuracy, confidence and precision, allowing your students to calmly and effectively master this skill. Before your students begin, reset the lift bag so it is deflated and separated from the weights. Give the signal for the skill and assign 2 roles. One student will conduct the skill and the other student will assist by holding the lift bag. Bring both students forward. The assistant will hold the lift bag while the other student prepares the rigging. Watch as your student takes one end of the belt, putting it through the bottom end of the lift bag. They will then feed the end of the belt through the buckle. Make sure the buckle is tightly secured. Next, using the alternate second stage, your student will begin to inflate the lift bag. Position yourself on the line above the lift bag, ready to release air if the student overinflates. Have your Divemaster watch the group while you ascend with the student conducting the skill. Remember to check the student is monitoring their ascent rate. Notice the instructor's position, one arm extended, ready to make contact or release excess air. The other arm stays around the control line, ready to stop the ascent. Make sure the student keeps releasing small amounts of air as needed. At the surface, the student fully inflates the lift bag. Remain on the line, ready to make contact. Both you and the student will fully inflate your BCDs. To finish the skill, switch from your regulator to your snorkel. Remember to provide your students with positive reinforcement and additional communication about the proper technique. You can then finish the skill with one more positive reinforcement. Here are some of the problems you may encounter when conducting this skill.